Welcome to Randomly Let's Eat. Today we are eating Texas chicken. Got a bunch of stuff. Oh man, hold on. I need to take pictures of these. Okay, welcome to Randomly Let's Eat. I am ready to demolish this place. I actually am looking most forward to, did you open this?
Yeah, I did. Nigga real gone. This is I never use my teeth on this one.
I think yeah, they didn't give us a straw.
Yeah.
Your nails? I'm gonna use a fork.
This is open for you. It's not fun.
No.
They don't use you. I want to do it myself.
Open it up like this. I can do it myself, that's right. Okay, let's try their biscuit. So this is the garlic one. This is their special one apparently, and it's supposed to be really, really good. Here you go, Penny, you have the other one. Let's see how good it is. I mean, it is really fluffy.
Oh, it's better than regular biscuits, yeah, for sure.
It is very garlicky. This is a butter honey one that they have. That's really sweet. That is really sweet. This supposed to be the spicy one. Spicy chicken wrap. Let's see what's inside here actually. There's a little bit of veggie and then a big piece of chicken, which is great. I'm glad they put the veggie in the. This is what people need to do. Put veggie in the bottom.
That's what I always do.
Smart.
Go off on one time.
Mmm. Oh, good. Like it? This is what I'm looking forward to. The Mexican one.
I like the sauce shell.
Oh yeah. It has chips in here. Hopefully I don't damage my gum with this. Let me taste that. That's good. It has a good spice. Spice kick to it. Oh yeah, that's spicy.
Oh, yeah, that's spicy.
Yeah, damn. Malaysia, you guys did that right. That's a good spice one. For anyone who doesn't like spice, that's not one for you to get. Cause that's a good spice. Oh, snaps. This is their shrimp one. Mmm. You see the shrimp? There's actual shrimp in here.
That was spicy too.
Too spicy?
Not too spicy for me.
Good.
Sweet.
You see the actual shrimp in here too. Let's eat some of the soggy fries.
Reminds me of the McDonald's chicken sandwich.
No, chicken sandwich.
Or fish sandwich, but with shrimp.
It's so good. So much better. This is their butter chicken with rice mix thing. Buttermilk. Almost like maybe a taco. The rest is good, right? Okay. That's good. This is the Korean one. That's the Korean one. Oh, oops. My bad. Smells very barbecue-y. Not very spicy. Not very Korean. Very soy saucy. Okay. And they also the two mixed dish. I like the buttermilk one more.
Yeah. This one has
Yep.
yeah, it's a weird taste.
Yeah, I think it's a bit too soy saucy for me actually. This is the coleslaw. It's veggie in, I guess. I don't know if this is a spicy one or a regular one. Let's give it a go. I think it's regular because the spice from the hamburger is still burning in my mouth, so I can't tell. Okay, chicken. Just like KFC.
Hot chicken.
I think from all this dish, the Mexican one.
Yeah, totally. Yeah.
Mexican burger is so good. I recommend that.
Really good. Tasty.
Well, I have to go look if there's actually Texas chicken in Texas.
What's all the rice by itself?
I think it's
Oh, this is different. It tastes different from here.
does it?
Yeah, taste it. It's way better on this one. I'm mixing the other sauce with it.
Does it have coconut flake in there or something? Coconut flake.
But it's way better though. Well, to me, it's way better.
I think it's good. By itself, it even has those are chips with gingers. That is really good rice. Man, they're doing rice good, yeah. Malaysia know how to make rice.
Yeah, I know, right? Try everything. I think the coconut rice was good. This is coconut rice and chicken broth. I swear.
Chicken broth, it has a chicken broth, but it has ginger in there as well, and lemongrass. You can make that at home.
Really good.
Oh my god, rice cooker, boom.
There's more. There's more coconut. You ball.
Yeah. That's how you do it.
That's not juice though.
Like, you don't want to do it, you want to get milk. Oh, so full already.
I love me too. So haven't tried that.
Oh, that's the garlic one, huh?
Oh, yeah. So good that is.
think the garlic one, the regular one is the same. Nope, garlic one's different. It's okay. It's just not that garlicky. It has a hint of the Italian herbs. So good. I'm gonna find the spicy one. The one I ate was just regular. I'm gonna have leftovers for later too.
Yeah, definitely. Also, bye.
We really doing one meal a day. One full meal and then a couple of snacks in between.
快樂睡咗做麼？拉下你冇俾快樂睡，用就成日俾得俾啊。做到破㗎？No,真係。
Well, you're from the same country. It's from Malay. No, I had to go double check that our flight was in November.
Is it right?
Because I had a dream that we were supposed to leave in October.
Well,
I was like, crap! I got it wrong. We wasted so much money packing, like, buy all these things. We have to go home. Like, so I was debating if I should cancel, like, just not go back to that flight and just buy a new flight. Let's go home.
right.
And then go check.
Would you just lose your money though? If that's the case?
Yeah. Because you missed your flight home, so you just buy a new flight back home. So I had to double check. I woke up. Double check. November 17th, November 16th. Okay. But it's funny because I did it for November 16th. I was go home, but they won't be back until November 17th. But I'm supposed to be at Nyas.
So November 16 is actually not airport. Take it home.
Yeah.
Okay. So we actually land America the 17th. Okay, that's 16th. So we return on 16th, but we land again.
Yeah. But I'm supposed to be at the Nyas event on the 17th.
Okay. We'll land on 17th.
So I'm like, shit.
But they're just more.
It's pretty early.
Something like midnight. Yeah. Well,
So like, we have to have someone pick us up at the bus station. I don't have service,
Well,
so we're gonna have to try to do it
what about we're doing now?
at the airport. Have someone pick us up, and then I think they might have to give me a change of clothes. I can go straight and then go straight to the next event.
What is the man doing?
He's doing your dad's birthday celebration.
어떻게 이렇게 정말
그렇죠.
얼마나 좋은데 아니요.
I think dad's older.
Are you at 2
You
years?
know, like in those things that the government birthday. Did you find the spicy one?
Just take a bite. You have a bite. You have just start picking awesome. Just get eating it. We figure it out. No, for now.
That's regular.
Want some more rice?
The garlic one. I didn't think it was a spicy one. I don't think any spicy one either.
The why is spicy.
Oh, you ate the spicy?
Hopefully that's not the only one. I doubt it.
They got spicy. I think that's the only one.
I think I'm not all spicy. No, because it's not spicy. No,
You think so?
I think so. Yeah, the other one I hardly taste any spice. I only know they were spicy because not the other one is spicy. Yeah.
Oh.
Not the herb one. Yeah, it was against spicy.
No, this is spicy. Like, if I get the spice kick,
No, that one was like, no, give it a
this is one where Nya will not be able to eat, or Chaju won't be able to eat. This is me and Shua's type of burger.
That's the bathroom
Not
burger.
too spicy, but enough to hear a kick. You want to finish this?
Like this.
Because there's like a very lot of food in it.
Interesting. No, I'm jumping there.
You know, eat. Do the more research. Take a nap. Do the more research. Eat. Go sleep. Wake up early tomorrow morning to go explore.
Every time I drink a Diet Coke, I feel skinny. Psychological effect. Nào đấy là sở tập với hành nữa. Học của nơi chơi giống có. Nào có nào mà chơi giống có. Cái gì vậy? Tao make it number 10 go.
It's okay. I want to be fit enough to do things that I want to do. Hiking, mountain
I want to be
hiking,
fit enough to crouch.
biking, swimming. But then
Do a bunch of things.
I also be able to eat as much as I want to eat as well. I might not look skinny or beautiful,
You have to train like crazy.
but
Eat like crazy. Like old school.
this is my moderation. Fat, but then still able to do stuff.
No, I swear to God, but I'm like, I moderate in terms of extremes. I'm either skinny or fat, but I never just my eating. It's still the same. Well, to be honest, I don't eat as much in terms of one meal. Normally like one go, but I still eat as much in terms of like throughout the day. I eat as much as I normally usually eat.
I'm never skinny, but I've done a lot of things that people would be like, "Damn, how you do that?" You know?
I never live fit enough to do anything that I could do. What the hell? You know, I'm kind of like Sam Mahon. You know Sam Mahon?
Not for me. I don't do that.
Sam Mahon. Check Bao
Oh yeah!
Like, you know, he never
Yes.
did, he could do all those stuff, but
He's
just
like
as good as
man,
they are.
yeah, he's my idol.
He's just as good as they are.
Chunky, but like kung fu high.
Yeah. So 因為有啲咧已經
He's honestly pretty good looking too.
I mean 因為有啲咧 like 因為啲咧唔得 now like the hot metabolism and she came out other people.
And that's Jesus, we just eat too much.
Yeah, that's what they know. That's my excuse. I have a slow metabolism because I eat so much.
We just eat too much. We do enough workout, enough activities so that we could actually be
No,
mobile.
because
whatever.
we do I literally had to starve myself. Like I was starving myself while not starving, but like I was eating like basically one meal a day and doing like different, you know, a lot of physical work.
Crazy kid.
But I found that out that this life like that, like that dog.
I can't do
I
that.
mean, nowadays, we don't know.
These leftovers. Ooh, no leftovers. Double in. No.
No, your food.
It's because I ate all the snacks before this.
Yeah, I think because I ate too many chips earlier too. That's right. Well, I just don't. I'm worried. And then also, like, you're not chicken. I know which one I would type of chicken.
Yeah, we did that chicken.
Yeah, the KFC chicken, Mexican chicken. Well, actually, there's some meat noodles, but it was still some chicken in there. So I just love chicken. Yeah. What the hell is up with two chickens?
We love our chicken.
Chickens, man. Without chicken, there's no life.
We love our rice. We love our chicken. We have only one thing of veggie. We even touch it.
They got 4 months. It's supposed to be mashed potato.
This was mashed potato. That was my veggie.
Legit is it like that? I need your vegetable.
So sad, give me coleslaw.
My body, my food. Okay?
I feel coleslaw is better than the mashed potato.
Yeah, because it's your sauce and your sauce is actually healthy, yeah. So what man, that little man, that one man, that little Texas what that one.
See?
Just don't in-law see.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
就会结上。
So where are they doing that? Just in the house or they holding
The one is down. I think has a venue.
Oh damn.
Alright. Start eating. That's good garbage.
I'm pretty sure people were wearing formal clothes.
Yes.
Yeah, I can't make it this. I had no formal clothes.
Anyways,
The sweatpants and the sweatshirt.
Thanks for eating with me. I hope you enjoyed this lunch / dinner as much as I did. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.